So today we are going to be doing a tour around Enugu. Yes, you'll be seeing the whole of Enugu City in 1 hour. We'll be showing you different fun places, the airports, the malls, the top estates, so many fun things to see today. So guys, stay tuned and let me hand over to our tour guide.
Yeah, good afternoon guys. Excited to have you here. So today we'll be starting the tour of Enugu from the Enugu-PortHarcourt Express. So we're actually coming in from premium layout. So we're going to begin with the Enugu-PortHarcourt Express. So currently we are in Enugu-PortHarcourt Express now. So driving down this road at the Haven Junction, which is popularly called the Naira Triangle. The Naira Triangle is the junction you meet where we have the NNPC filling station. The junction leads us to Emene, leads us towards the main Enugu town. We'll get there soon so you understand. It's a T junction actually. It's a T junction. To your left is Emene, leading us to Abakaliki. Why to your right rather? Why to your left is leading you into Enugu town. The Shoprite, the Tinker's Corner, the Otigba Junction, and all of that. So we are in Naira Triangle.
It is Naira Triangle.
Yeah, it's a big roundabout. It's popularly called Naira Triangle. So most buses coming from PortHarcourt often stop by this side to drop their passengers who desire to stop here. So this is the demarcation. Now we are going towards Emene. To our right hand side is leading, to our left is leading us to Enugu main town. So let's just do a tour in Emene Road, leading us to the airport, Enugu Airport. Enugu Airport is just 10 to 15 minutes drive from the Naira Triangle, if not less than, actually. So this is Enugu-Abakaliki Express. Driving on this road now leads you straight to Abakaliki, no diversion. You meet the Oria market and all of that. Those are the markets available in Emene. But we are not getting there today. We just want to take you to the airport and come back into town and show you what Enugu looks like in general. So now, to go to the airport, you see a flyover coming from the Naira Triangle. All you need to do is just to take your right, you drive up the flyover, then you return to your left. Coming down is still taking you back to Enugu-Abakaliki Express. So you make a U-turn.
So we're up the flyover now.
Yeah, we're up the flyover. So this leads us to the airport and this also leads us to old Enugu-Abakaliki Express. So we're going to return back to town using the old Enugu-Abakaliki Express. So this is the road leading us to Enugu Airport. Generally, I think Enugu is trying in terms of cleaning. Yeah, they used to have a lot of industries around this road before.
Is this where all those pharmaceutical companies are?
Yeah, there's one down this road.
See Amako. What do they do here?
I think Amako is into roofing.
Okay, roofing.
Yeah, so but I don't know if they're still working. There's a pharmaceutical company at the front actually. But it's inside.
So the airport is just straightforward?
No, yeah, we're already at the airport.
Oh, that's the airport.
Look at the direction billboard up.
Okay.
You see airport, then to your left is Emene. So this is old.
So if you are going to Emene, this is the road you follow.
This old Enugu-Abakaliki Express. So it's still considered as Emene Road. So it still leads you back to Emene. This road leads you straight to the Eke Market. So this is airport. Without being told, you can see the symbol already. This is Enugu Airport. So if you turn your right, it takes you straight into the airport. But we are not flying, so we don't need to go in. But you can see very well that Akanu Ibiam International Airport, Enugu. So this is their new structure.
It's the airport too.
Yes, it's their new structure, but they're about to commence usage of it. So that's the airport along Emene Road. Yeah. So now look at the big. So we're returning back from the airport. This is old Enugu-Abakaliki Express. This road leads us to Tinker's Corner. So in Tinker's Corner.
Oh, so, okay, this is for cars.
Yeah.
Auto-star,
yeah. Along this road as well, we still have. This is where we have. We also have a pharmaceutical company here. What was that their name again? A lot of companies are here actually. They make beds.
Okay, Intercol.
Yeah, they're into beds. And we just passed this thing. One estate in the back. Yeah, AC drug. It's along this road.
CAC in pigs, something else.
So I think Emene is considered the industrial part of Enugu because they have a lot of industry sited on this side of Enugu actually.
So this is Emene.
Oh yeah, it's Emene, but if you want to see the call Emene is still at the back. We didn't get there.
Okay.
They have the Eke Market where the road. This road we are now straight leads to.
What do they call this road? Abakaliki?
Yeah, old Enugu Emene Road.
Okay.
This road can also lead you to Adoration Ministry. Some kind of structures here. It's been long. This is the side I suspect Chimark is having this stuff. Yeah, it's a drop.
Okay, ultimate train. Okay, wow.
Toscana Junction, but we just branch into Tinker's Corner. Let's show them Godfrey Okoye University. So Godfrey Okoye University is actually inside Tinker's Corner.
Where do you think is the most beautiful part in it? I think New Haven is like the hallmark. I don't know.
New Haven is not fine. Independence Layout.
Oh, okay. Independence Layout.
Yeah, Independence Layout.
Okoye University is located here. There's something weird to me about this university. How I feel like it's scattered. So where is the entrance?
They actually have another site now.
Because see,
you from here you go to the administrative block, but let's just go through the back where we have some little faculties scattered here and there.
So everywhere here is the hostel, is the school.
Yes, everywhere.
But then there are people living here too.
Yes, because they were not able to purchase the entire land for themselves now. So I guess probably they are buying up. Like now you can see the Faculty of Arts.
Faculty of Management Science and Social Science. Apart from
have a little like a mall.
Okay, a mini mall.
Yeah.
Apart from Godfrey Okoye University, which other private universities in Enugu?
It's in Enugu, Caritas, also in Emene.
Oh, we've passed it.
We didn't get there.
Okay,
it's
we didn't
close
get there.
to Adoration.
Popular Adoration. That is
Father Mbaka.
Yes, Father Mbaka's church. Chime Estate.
Yeah, this is a new estate.
Tinker's Corner.
Tinker's Corner. See the administrative block before we leave. Yes, you can go to Abakpa from here.
Yeah.
Straight.
I don't know why my husband does not like Abakpa.
You can go to Abakpa from here.
The hold up in Abakpa.
Abakpa tour is a full day's tour because you might end up spending 3 hours in traffic trying to find your way to what you want to do. So the school actually have proper dominance on this road where the administrative block is. So we'll see the administrative block very soon. It's just at the front. And they also have a radio station.
Where is it?
Also stay inside the administrative block. I had the opportunity to be there once when I had a friend who was working there before she became a lecturer. This is the Institute of Economical Education. Yeah. And this is the administrative building. Godfrey Okoye University, Enugu. Here they have the alumni secretariats.
Do they do masters here?
No. Department of History and International Studies.
Do they have medical courses here?
No, I'm only aware they have biochemistry. I'm not even sure they have microbiology.
Godfrey Okoye University, we're leaving Tinker's Corner. where's our next destination?
I think we might just take them through Enugu Junction to Ogui Junction.
Yeah, Ogui Road is like where I feel they sell lots of things, like electronics, all those kind of things.
Okay, let's take them through New Haven first.
Yes, that's my favorite part. I feel like it's the most popular part. Okay, no, Holy Ghost. Are we going to get to Holy Ghost? No answer for now. Well, let's see how it goes. So we're back on your express now.
Yes. So this is the road you actually meet coming from Naira Triangle, that's PortHarcourt Express.
Okay, if we had followed you on the left
side, yeah.
So now we're going to New Haven.
Yes.
Is brighter because of the trees there. In Emene, it looked a bit darker.
This is where New Haven begins.
Okay, this is the first end of New Haven.
Yes.
So they'll call it New Haven Junction.
Yes, call it New Haven Junction.
Where is that place coming from?
That's the flyover we just came from.
Okay. Shops here are like mad expensive.
Very. If ever busy New Haven.
This is Sunday afternoon, like 12:30. Gold Valve Hotels.
Yeah, Valve is there.
Is this a mosque?
I don't even know. That place is like short.
Okay, it's not in use.
It's not in use. It's have been in Enugu. It's been short like that.
Okay.
A lot of hotels in Enugu, in New Haven, Barcelona.
Be loud.
We have Barcelona. We have Riscarity.
Conga office.
Yeah, Conga has the office here. We have this white leaf. Okay, let me telling them the name of the bus stop. So we're approaching Saika bus stop. Saika bus stop, it's well leads to the neuropsychiatric hospital, Federal Neuropsychiatric Hospital. This is the bus stop. That's where you have the Northern Hotel.
Okay.
Popular Northern Hotel.
So this is the road.
Yeah, that's the road to Saika. There's a popular Catholic church in New Haven, St. Molumba. And it is called New Haven Primary School Junction.
Okay.
So this is New Haven Primary School Junction. After New Haven Primary School Junction, the next junction you will see is Akalaka House. I will also have Posh Hospital along this road.
That's the hospital.
Yeah, that's Posh Hospital. So this junction is called Akalaka House. Though they've renumbered Enugu, so now you might be seeing things like stand 2G, stand 2H, all those kind of things, but the names still remains. If you are inside a bus or a taxi,
say stand 2G.
You tell them stand 2G, they might not understand. Just tell them Akalaka House, they will understand you better. So after Akalaka, the next bus stop you will see will be Uduma bus stop.
That's it.
And this is Uduma. So after Uduma bus stop, now mind you, we are driving entering from Emene side, not from the other side, from Emene, so that's why I'm numbering like this. After Uduma, the next you get to is Assemblies bus stop.
2E.
Yes. Assemblies bus stop. After Assemblies, the next bus stop you will get will be Mr. Biggs. This is Mr. Biggs bus stop.
But there's no Mr. Biggs there.
It used to years ago. So that is that. After Mr. Biggs, you do a drive down a little, you will see First Bank bus stop. You see First Bank. So this is First Bank, but they didn't give us a stand there. But it is called First Bank bus stop. So after First Bank, the next one you see is New Haven Market.
That's here.
So this is the popular New Haven Market. This is the
Down
New
that
Haven
road.
Market. So after New Haven Market,
Oh, I didn't even take note of Ntachosa.
oh, past Ntachosa. So the next point we'll come to now is the New Haven Junction. Yeah. New Haven Junction, you will not see the popular Otigba Roundabout that holds memory of a lot of things. But those things you know Otigba to be of, it's no longer like that.
Things like what? I don't even have an idea.
Don't worry, people I'm talking to understand. So at Otigba you have the teacher's house at Otigba Junction, and that's where you also have the market square. So
Where is the market square?
it's market square.
Okay, market square.
So,
Like a restaurant.
let's not go to Ogui Road now. Let me take you through GROA. So this is fire service. This is fire service.
And this is Chimak.
J-Mark. Yeah, this thing here is market. Yeah, this is Ogui Roundabout. At Ogui Roundabout, coming from Otigba, to your right leads you to 82 Division, where you have the barracks, 82 Division barracks. So, but to your left takes you to Polo Park,
That's Shoprite.
Shoprite, yeah. So we are off Ogui Roundabout. This is Enugu Museum, National Museum of Unity. Enugu. So we're not going to go into GROA, just do a drive through the express. I'll show you Polo Park.
See Caritas in the side.
Yeah, they're advertising their new site.
Some places look darker. Let's see. roller coaster.
Yeah, we're at Polo Park, where you have the Shoprite. So you can refer to our other video to see what
Inside the mall
looks like. So this is where we also have the ESUT, that is Enugu State College of Education Technical rather. Enugu State College of Education Technical.
Enugu.
ESUT. This is where you have ESUT.
This is Shoprite. But how will it be that we will not pass through Parklane?
Through Parklane? Oh, sorry. Shoprite is behind Parklane. I thought we showed them Parklane
Shoprite is in front of
one
Parklane.
of our videos. Okay, let's just show them.
This is Shoprite.
This Polo Park Shoprite. Let's just show them Parklane entrance.
Celebrities. This is the second entrance to the mall.
Okay, since we are here already, I think we should just show them new markets, the new Enugu-PortHarcourt Express. Just make a U-turn from there. So this is Parklane.
Yes, ESUT Teaching Hospital.
Enugu State University Teaching Hospital, that's what it means. So with that, let me just show you guys new market. So this from Parklane, it's a straight road down to New Market to Milking Hills, to Ungwo, you hit the express going to Onitsha, going to Onitsha. So on this part, that's where we have the SSS offices along this part as well as the Federal Road Safety. Also have, okay, I think it's even good to pass through here. Let me just show them the what is it called, Golf Estate.
Okay.
This is where we have Golf Estate. We just passed the golf club now.
What is this?
This SSS office. Should we show them inside golf?
They're just driving.
This is where we also have, going to New Market, we also have the NYSC State Secretariat. We'll show you that while we are returning back from Golf Estate.
Okay, so this diversion is
Yes.
to Golf Estate.
Golf Estate is where we have the disband SAS office.
Disband.
Yeah.
Say golf.
Yeah, this is the golf court.
Is it? Can anybody enter?
Yeah, you can, but their entrance is at the other side.
side.
That's what I was showing you. estate does
I'm
not
wanting to see like estate houses now.
You see, but the estate does not really have like a gate. I see. This part is also the estate. They have a mini gate. Let me turn at the front. From Golf Estate as well, you can join the express. We will take them to Transecular.
Where? This road?
No. It's a different place.
Are we still inside the estate?
Yeah. It's Golf Estate. So normally, when there is a trade fair in Enugu, most of the times, this is where they always use for their trade fair. Proper tour of the estate to look at the residential buildings and all of that. Straight down this road takes you back to the express. That's Enugu-Onitsha Express. So but we'll make a U-turn at this point. To your right leads you to the police office in Dispensers. I don't know what they call themselves now. I think SWAT. I think that's what they call themselves. I don't even know what they call themselves now.
I have to get back with you. Leaving Golf Estate now, we're joining the road from Parklane again.
Yeah, so straight.
That's Secretariat.
Yeah, straight is
that's Secretariat.
New Market. So we're going to go out.
Okay, this road leading to New Market, then Milky Hills, then Ugo, then Onitsha.
So this NYSC Secretariat. So this is old Abakaliki Road. That's what it is called.
This one here?
Yeah, this road is called.
Oh, I thought we mentioned one old Abakaliki Road.
It leads to it. Ebeano Tunnel into Ogui Road.
What's the name of this road going now?
This?
Yeah.
It's still called Abakaliki Road.
Okay.
So straight is to Peace Park, to Ogui Market, no? To Ogui Market.
Okay.
That's straight. So, going to the popular Ebeano Tunnel.
The brief tunnel.
So we have Fidelity Estate.
Where is it?
It's Fidelity Estate. Look at the signboard here.
Okay, Fidelity. So this is the tunnel.
This is Ebeano Tunnel.
And there's light at the end of the tunnel.
At Ogui Road. Ogui, we have the four market days. Yeah, along here is where we have the Oakland Hotel. The Oakland Hotel. Ellen Plaza. Then we have old Artisan actually. So this is where we have the old Artisan market. Yeah, old Artisan market is just here. So we're in Ogui Road now. BusStop. This Lagos Street. And also down this road also leads, it's a school like a university. This is stadium, so down this road also leads you to Holy Ghost.
This stadium.
Or this is stadium. So we're going to do a turn into Presidential.
So down this road is to Holy Ghost.
To Holy Ghost, yeah. This Presidential Road now we are entering. This is Eastern Shop here. Very up. Eastern Shop. So that's where they also have the DHL office. Presidential Road that leads to government, that leads to the estate assembly. So this is Obiagu. It is spectacular. Obiagu is just like a ghetto.
You can see the roof.
That is spectacular, just like a ghetto. So I'll just take a drive down to Council where you have the fingers. The fingers now. Yeah, there's a sculpture there. I'll make a U-turn and a roundabout. Just like a ghetto, you know. The roads that pass Obiagu, if you drive them, you just know you're in a ghetto. Obiagu, Abakpa. Just that I still prefer Obiagu to Abakpa. But at least
Obiagu, you can move.
You can move. You know. There are some hours you dare not go to Abakpa. If not, This is the popular Madame Omife restaurants. So it's just down this road. The popular Madame Omife restaurants. Very popular. But in Enugu, you've not eaten abacha. Not started. Obiagu is dominated by indigenes and students. Yeah, students in IMT, basically.
IMT is Institute of
Management
Technology.
Science. Obiagu. But funny enough, they are beginning to destroy some structures in Obiagu now to erect some beautiful ones. Yeah. So we'll turn the roundabout to return back. Okay, let's just go straight. Let's use the other street back. So, but straight now will lead you into Zix Avenue. So this is sculpture I was talking about. Court Council. So straight that place will lead you to Zix Avenue. So, but let's go towards WTC.
What's the name of the street?
Oh my dear, I said to look at one signboard now. All of them is considered to be Obiagu. Popular Alpha pharmacies around here.
UNEC is straight on the road.
Yeah, UNEC.
Who passed? Which school did you pass? There's a secondary school on this side.
Still, UNEC is just down by the.
Okay, we're not playing.
Well, we're not supposed to, but we want us to just show them UNEC.
If there is any specific place you want us to give a detailed tour, you can let us know. We're on a very good day. We'll do a detailed tour on UNEC at some specific places, but this is just like the whole Enugu City tour.
Yeah, but we didn't go to. There are 3 places we did not go to. This is UNEC. So we'll turn the roundabout to return back. There are 3 places we didn't go to specifically. We didn't go to Abakwa. We didn't tour the 6th Avenue houses for them alongside with Timber, and we didn't go to Gariki.
Oh, Gariki.
So this is UNEC. And just beside UNEC is WTC Estate.
Yeah. So
that's one of the gates of the WTC. They have another gate at the front. This is where they learn French and German and those things. Forgot to mention. And this is
Queen's College.
Queen's College, Enugu. And there's this coded service apartments on this road.
This one.
Is it? Ken Graphics Luxury Apartment. Very coded. You won't even know. popular Nkpokiti. Okay, let me show you guys IMT. Church, Enugu. Oh, is this guy that even came for this program, sir? You know that guy? Pastor Tim guy from Umuahia. Here's Platinum Lounge.
It's entrance to Enugu.
And this is Root Restaurant.
Unity Park is at the other side.
Everywhere is blocked. We'll show you Unity Park because the government's house, they are protecting the government house, so they blocked all the road leading to the government house. We'll show them Unity Park. Let's go and show them stuff.
this is route now. This is Enugu Mall that I showed you before.
This road is their state assembly. This is Opara Square. This is their state assembly. Look at the emblem of power. So that's their state assembly. So let's just show them Unity Mall.
Unity Park.
Unity Park, rather. So from Unity Park, I'll show you guys the popular Swama office. Where they will hold you and tell you to pay 20,000.
This is where people jog.
Okay, popular Opara Square.
If you come here during the weekends,
Yeah,
in the
this is where we
morning,
do our morning routines. You know,
this is Unity Park.
she turned the camera to face me now, you see her feet. So this is Unity Park.
Unity Park.
Yeah, this government house, like I said, everywhere is blocked. Can't go in. So the other places, Independence Layout, but basically
This used to be like former pine forest. No.
Cubana. I said Cubana.
Toscana.
Toscana. This is Toscana. Toscana Hotel. Yeah. So the other places, basically that is the highlight of Independence Layout. This is the base, the popular the base, where it's now the halfway place in Enugu. This is the base lounge. So this is WAEC BusStop. This is WAEC BusStop. Down a little to your left, you have a Agric Bank bus stop. Here you have the INEC office. Or we'll just go straight. Let me show you where they have the immigration office. And this Ministry of Transport. There they have the SPAR. Universal Hotel, old and popular. Universal Hotel. So straight, coming from the SWAMA Ministry of Lands, straight leads you to the immigration office. Straight, that's the way the camera is facing now. Straight is immigration office. Yeah, you can even see their signpost. Nigeria Immigration Service. Okay, so straight this road, you have Top Rank Hotel is here. Then straight down, you have Federal Guest College, Federal Government College. It's a mid school actually. And you also have their Enugu Broadcasting Service by your left. Down this side. So this is Top Rank Hotel. your left takes you straight back to Port-Harcourt Express. So, treasure points. Treasure point Enugu. So straight down this road can lead you to Timber and all of those places. So but let's just drive into this mini estate. Okay, this Romalinda Estate, so we'll bring the tour to an end. We want to quickly stop by and pay a friend a visit. So just like she has said before, if there is any part of the town you really want to have details about, you can drop it in the comment section and be rest assured we're going to vlog about it.
Yes.
Understand? So that's it from Romalinda Estate. Like I said before, you can link the Enugu-PortHarcourt Express from two different ends actually. So thank you for joining me. Peace out.
Hey guys, if you have not, please subscribe to our channel, give this video a thumbs up. If you follow through to this point, wow, we love you so much. You are the real MVP. So guys, subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell beside it, and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get your feedback in the comment section, and we'll catch you in our next video. Bye.